Okay, hey, welcome back. So in this video, what I want to go over is kind of building off of the last video I did with you guys. So in the last video, we talked about MarketClub Options, and we're going to use I'm going to show you something else that I'm doing that I've learned that you can learn through the MarketClub Options blueprint. The first thing I wanted to cover real quick, though, is I wanted to give you kind of a bonus that I'm not sure, maybe some of you know, but you'd be surprised how many people don't know this. And it's kind of a bonus tip. So one of the keys to being a successful trader, whether you're a stock trader, options trader, is to trade in the general direction of the overall market. So if the market is trending up, then trade in a bullish direction. And when the market's trending down or we're in a bear market, then you trade in a bearish direction. Where the market's at today, for most traders, like our students, we teach them that, hey, based on our templates, nothing's really satisfied with the exception of one. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So you would pretty much just sit on the sidelines. Or if you are going to trade, let's say we trade credit spreads as well, which you don't need a trending market to trade a credit spread. We tell our students to reduce their risk. So that's one tip I wanted to give you. Always trade in the general direction of the market. And the reason for that is 75% of all stocks will follow the general market, which makes sense, seeing that the general market is made up of those stocks, right? So, but there is a strategy. We call it it's not here. We call it the power stock strategy. And so what I did was I filtered out my stocks using MarketClub to end up getting two of these stocks. Where's my other one? Oh, I think I closed out the other one. Sorry. So I got two stocks here. Oh, that's what I did. That's right. I went to the general market here. Hang on. Let me bring up that other stock I was looking at. Which one do I have up? All right. I have Lennar, and the other one was DR Horton. So it's DHI. There it is. So we'll bring that one up. And basically, like they're showing plus 70 now, but yesterday when I did so I usually do my scans at night after the market's closed. These were both at plus 100. They're both, you can see Lennar is still a plus 100, but DR Horton is a plus 70, and it's just because it's dropped so much. But they had weekly trade triangles. And you remember in the last video I was showing you guys, the weekly trade triangles take all the emotions out of the trade. So I went through, there's a filtering process I go through. I'm not going to show you that because you know what? You need to be a paid member to see our filtering process. Wouldn't be fair to the other students. But I went through the filtering process, and these were the two stocks that I came up with. And they both triggered weeklies. They both have green monthlies. If I turn on the monthlies, they both have, did I have them on? Yeah, where's that monthly? There's the monthly there. So this one had a monthly on 7/15. That was DR Horton, and I think 7/10 was Lennar. Had a green monthly. So everything's in alignment for me to trade bullishly. So I went ahead, I did my filtering. Like I said, I go into my trade platform, I do all the research, and this is what I came up with for my trades. I did a call option on both of them. Now you can see they're losing money, and this is typical. If you trade options, this is typical. You have to get used to seeing massive losses. I placed these trades this morning, and they're already at a 25 and 21% loss. I'm used to that. Why are they at that? Because of what the market and they are doing. If you go to their stock charts, you can see they both pretty much dropped significantly today. And that's okay. I have my exit strategies, and if these turn out to be losing trades, I'll just keep going. I keep plugging along. The reality, I don't think I mentioned it in my last video, the reality is the majority of your trades tend to be losing trades, and it's the few winners that you have that will make up for the losing trades if you have good risk management principles and strategies, and we do. So I'm going to kind of plug this again because this is where I learned a lot of this stuff. I am in the Success Academy as well, but this is a great place to start. MarketClub Options. This is taught by Trader Travis, who is the 2019 U.S. investing champion for options trading. He competed against a lot of professional traders and he beat them. So he knows what he's doing, and I know he knows what he's doing because I'm a student and I'm a co-trainer, and I have been very successful trading options with him. So again, I'll leave the links to MarketClub Options. The great deal going on. I'll also leave some links. There's a you can take MarketClub for a test spin for 30 days for just $1. No obligations other than $1. You pay $1 and they'll give you 30 days of access where you can play around with MarketClub and see how it works and use the trade triangle. So great resource. I've been using it for several years. Don't know what I'd do without it. So that is it. That's what I wanted to cover in this. If you guys are following along, hit the like button if you like the video. Leave me comments if you have any comments. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Every time I send out a video, you'll get a notification. And if you like to follow along what's going on, because I'm going to be covering these trades, I'll show you how these trades play out. I'll do a video, a weekly video update on these trades and show you how they're playing out. So if you hit the subscribe and notification bell, you'll get a notification when I send out a video for the update. So that's it. You guys take care. See you in the next video.